Welcome to LayerNext. In this video, we'll walk through the simple steps to set up your account and connect your financial data. To start, navigate to LayerNext.ai and click Start for free. Enter your name, email address, and a secure password. Once those details are entered, click Create Account. Now, enter your company name and select your country. When you're ready, click Continue. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email. Copy the 6-digit code sent to your email. Enter the code here, and the system will automatically verify your account. Now that you're verified, click Continue to move to the next step. To keep your account secure, let's enable two-factor authentication. Enter your mobile number, click Send Verification Code, and type in the 6-digit code will be sent to your phone. Once verification is successful, click Continue to proceed. Next, we will connect your data. Click Connect to link your Quickbooks account to LayerNext. Log into your Quickbooks account to authorize the secure connection. We're now syncing with your Quickbooks account to set up your LayerNext workspace. This usually takes less than 3 minutes. During this time, LayerNext is analyzing your data so you can immediately see key metrics like your cash flow, burn rate, and runway. Here's where the magic happens. LayerNext presents a clear, summarized view of what it found in your data. It breaks down everything from your revenue streams to your current financial structure. It even flags critical questions. Here is your financial snapshot. We've highlighted critical issues and key metrics identified during our initial audit of your Quickbooks data. To continue setup, click Continue. Choose any of these common financial headaches and we'll demonstrate a solution in under 60 seconds. Suppose you have no clear view of your cash flow. LayerNext delivers a real-time report of your cash position in seconds. Ready to move forward? Click Next to access your unique LayerNext email inbox. You can forward any digital invoices or receipts here, and they'll be added to your Quickbooks automatically. After completing the setup, click All Done. Congratulations on completing your setup. Think of this as your financial command center. Just type a question about your business financials to get started. If you're not sure where to begin, click AI Bookkeeping and Reconciliation tabs here to explore smart suggestions tailored to your books. Ready to dive deeper? Check out our next tutorials to learn about document capture, reconciliation, and the power of multi-entity bookkeeping. For more guides, visit our customer support at layernext.ai/support.